Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica Love Simple Things. So I got some peach and I'm gonna peel them and I'm gonna make some juice with it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not adding no sugar, simple juice. Just gonna peel it and take off the fruity part, the meaty part. Gonna put it in my bullet and I'm gonna blend it out with some ginger. Not powdered ginger though, fresh ginger. I can't eat the fruit with the skin because it itches me. So I'm just peeling them. And I'm going to use the fruit part. So guys, just so. Take off the fruit part, the meat part. Here's my jug. So I have the fruits in water. So I'm just peeling. This already have its own sugar, guys, so you don't have to add no sugar. You can use it to make smoothie also. Yes, guys. I'm gonna put this the skin in my compost for next year. I'm just gonna throw it in the garden, so the skin will rotten out in the soil to prepare for next year garden. So see guys, just peel it. Peel and cut. And as I said, you just blend this out in your bullet or your blender. For those of us who is cutting back on sugar intake, you don't have to put sugar. If you don't mind taking sugar, you can add your sugar if you want. So I'm just gonna blend this out in my bullet with a little bit of water to get it puree out. And then I'm gonna put some ginger. I'm gonna blend it out with the ginger so then I could strain it through my sieve or something. Or if I don't blend the ginger in it, I'm gonna blend this ginger with some water and then put the water in this. So you could add some almond spice and vanilla extract and nutmeg and cinnamon in this, just to bring up the flavor. So guys, see, very fast. Guys, you could add other stuff in this, you know. If you have mango, you could add some mango in it. This would taste very good with mango. But unfortunately, I don't have any mango. So I'm just gonna use what I have. You could add milk also, but I don't want any milk. I'm just gonna do this. This one changed color, no good. And this one is a little bit softer. As I said, I'm not using the skin, so I'm gonna peel it, even though it's soft. Simple drink, so you don't have to buy sugary stuff at the store to drink. You can buy your fruit with low sugar fruits and make it yourself. Yes guys, so I'm gonna put some apple. I have some green apple, so I'm gonna put also some green apple in there. So this is peach and apricot juice with ginger. And this is the ginger. So you just peel the ginger. Depends on if you want to peel it. If you don't want to peel it, you don't have to. You can just wash the ginger very good and cut it up. But because I think I'm gonna just juice this out, so I'm just gonna leave the skin on. The skin of the ginger is very spicy, so I'm just gonna wash this, cut it up in here. And then when you blend it up, you juice it, you blend it out, and then you squeeze it through your sieve. This ginger is very strong. Wow. So I'll make another video, guys. I'm gonna make another video because I have to go somewhere. So I'll make another video to show you guys how I blend up my stuff. I'm just adding two apples. Yes, guys, so this is the fruit, apple, and peach and ginger. So later I have to go somewhere. So later when I come back, I'm gonna put this in my bullet and I'm gonna blend them out and make my juice. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. My peach, apple, and ginger drink that I will be making the drink later. I will attach the rest of the video to this one. All right, guys, thank you so much.